Hi, good evening, everyone. It's an extra live just to update you, all of our customers, about current situation. So my name is Victor. I'm the owner of ALVINI company, and we have shops in Limerick, Nina, Rascray, and Carrick-on-Shore. Basically, the COVID-19 panic has started in Ireland. Yesterday, the government shut all the schools, and then it felt like a Christmas in our shop because people started to panic buy liquids, coils, a couple of starter kits as well. But basically, it was madhouse in ALVINI stores yesterday. The Limerick store actually had better turnover than in a Christmas period. Like it's just mental what's going on. But anyway, I understand this is right now people are panic buying, and along with toilet paper, etc. They are also stocking up on the vape gear, which is good. Now I expect in the next days everything is gonna be calmed down. And I expect actually less customers to have in the stores because people have mostly stocked up for a while now. And second thing is people might be afraid to go out in the city with this coronavirus spread, the madness, etc., etc. Okay, more afraid being in contact with other people, and I can fully understand that. Me personally, I am not so much worried about the health impacts I could get if I get the coronavirus. Yeah, I'm not so much concerned about that myself, but I'm more concerned about the economical impact which this coronavirus outbreak might bring. Because if let's say I get sick and some of my employees get sick, that's it. I have nobody to work in the shop. We have to close the shop. Yeah, but for the time being, when the shop is closed, there is also no revenue coming in. Yeah, I hope you all understand that, and that can be really, really dangerous situation because the authorities are gonna want to have their share. The landlords will want to have the rents paid, and if everything goes like that, then this could actually kill not only mine but a lot of businesses, yeah, in this situation. So that's why I think it's going to be tough times ahead of us as a company, and it's going to be tough times ahead of also you as a customers, because the supply chain from China has been interrupted for quite substantial time frame. Yeah, you have to understand there was like 2-3 weeks holidays in China for the New Year's holiday, so nobody was working. And straight after the holidays, we have the coronavirus outbreak. They weren't working either. And we have now over a month, almost like 2 months, that there is no production being done in China. And because China is a global supplier of all vape gear, you can expect to have really tough times to get some coils. Yeah, basically the biggest concern right now in the industry is about the coils, the lack of the coils run out because those are the most used ones. So basically what people buy every day, they need their liquids and they need their coils. Okay, liquids, they are made in Europe. There are not so many coming out of China because mostly all the shops are using now European made, American made, whatever. Not so many which are coming out of China. So as long as those factories are still operating and producing, shouldn't be any issue with that. But the coils and batteries, spare glasses, all those things which are coming out of China will have a delay in deliveries because right now maybe they are shipping out goods which they produced before the Chinese New Year, but because of this long period of factories being closed, it's gonna impact everybody and globally. I mean, the businesses and also the customers, because if we as a business don't have the coils, you as a customer won't have the coils as well. Yeah, so just keep that in mind. That can be a bit harder times ahead of us. Okay, those who make their own coils and wrap, those are better off in this situation actually. Yeah, but for all of those who are relying on stock coils, that might be shortages. Yeah. Okay. Now, what's gonna happen with the coronavirus? I don't know. I have heard a lot of different rumors going around. I don't want to spread them, yeah, but the rumors range from everything is gonna be fine till the worst. What I have heard is that Monday the government is planning to shut down the country. Yeah, I don't know what to believe. Don't believe also my word for that. It's just. Right now is madness, craziness going around, and let's just wait and see. And when we know something more, then we can figure out how to operate. Yeah. For now, my plan is operate as normal. If the government decides to shut down the whole company, the whole country, then obviously then we can't operate. That's it. My plan is right now. If you are afraid to come into town, as long as the post and Fastway is delivering, we will be shipping out also online orders. So for those who are afraid to come into town and afraid that you might catch the virus, I can fully understand that. But then I would say go to alvini.ie and place your orders online. I will be still shipping out as long as the post and Fastway is delivering. Okay. Please don't panic. Yeah. Now about the health implications. Okay. About the coronavirus. As I said, I'm not so worried about if I get the virus. I think my health is fine. It's more worrying about the elderly people and toddlers. Yeah, so children. What we can do about that? It's simple. Just use regular hygiene. Wash your hands, and please don't fall for that antibacterial soaps. That's not true. Regular soap is gonna be just fine. Yeah, because we are dealing with a virus, and antibacterial soap is not gonna do any better than regular soap. Yeah, so don't fall for this antibacterial. But because it's a virus going around, that hand sanitizer, which I'm gonna show you in short minutes, we're gonna blend one. That is actually one which kills the viruses. Yeah, so you can disinfect your hands, you can sanitize your hands, and everything's going to be fine. Okay, just don't go mad on buying on toilet paper. I don't understand why people are buying the toilet paper like there's no tomorrow. Actually, there are parts of the world they still don't use toilet paper on the daily use. Yeah. And not so long ago, there was no toilet paper at all, and people survived without it. Yeah, so why everybody is now so going mad about toilet paper? Don't ask me. I don't know. Okay, now basically the formula which I am going to be showing you today is the one which has been taken from World Health Organization's website. So that's official coming from the top World Health body, and I will just show you the formula now, and then we can dive down, and I can blend then on camera and show you how I'm doing this. Okay, here we go. So basically, there are two formulas provided. One of it, the formula one, is if you use ethanol, 96%. Don't worry about these numbers. It's like 8 liters of ethanol. Nobody is asking you to get 8 liters of ethanol. This is just a formulation if you want to take 10 liters of the hand sanitizer. Okay, so these need to be divided by tenfold at least. Yeah. I got my hands on the isopropyl alcohol. Yeah, I'm gonna be using this this formula today to blend it. And my calculations here are simple. We have 99.8% of the alcohol. I have actually 99.9, and they are looking for 7.5 liters. So I'm gonna be using just 75 milliliters for it. Yeah, because I'm gonna make 100 mils. Okay. The next thing which we need is hydrogen peroxide, 3% one. I got my hands on a 6% one, so that's why, let's say on the 3%, we will be using the 4.2 mils. Because I have 6%, I'm gonna be just dividing it by 2. Yeah, I'm gonna be using the 2.1 milliliter in the mix, and then we have vegetable glycerin or glycerol. yeah, that's gonna be then 1.45 milliliters, also 1.5 milliliter. Okay, that's the formula we're gonna be using. Yeah, I know that you have to check with your local pharmacies. In my local pharmacy next door here in Limerick, I got the isopropyl alcohol. And I'll zoom in. Don't want to zoom in. Okay, that's what basically is 99. Here we go, 99% one. You can see the price, 18.40 was it for it, okay? And that was half a liter. Okay, I'm gonna be using this one. Actually, I know that the price 18.40 for half a liter of it is really big price, because couple of like 2 months ago I was buying the same but in liter bottle and costed €8. Yeah, now is for more than double than that for half of it. Okay, but it is what it is. Hand sanitizers are out of stock everywhere, so at least with these you can make it yourself. Okay, the next item was the hydrogen peroxide. That's this guy which I got in pharmacy as well. Yeah, really tiny bit of it is needed. And the third ingredient is vegetable glycerol, yeah, which is regular VG. Thankfully, I didn't have to buy it. We have it plenty. Yeah, and fourth ingredient which we're going to be using is just regular distilled water or boiled water. It's then up to you. Okay. So now, for blending the whole thing, we're gonna be needing also syringes, just regular syringes, just to measure. And I'm gonna be using, here I have a measuring glass, 100 mils in one, okay? So then we have to switch the cameras, just a second. So here we go. I already emptied this bottle because I have been showing this already in Latvian language. Yeah, so this is an empty bottle. I have filled it in here. Yeah, that's the isopropyl alcohol already in it. So for this blend, we're gonna be needing then, as I said, 75 milliliters of the alcohol. So I just use the 20 ml syringe. That's 20, 40, 60, and 75. That's it. If you look on the camera, it's okay. It's hard to show now because the camera is filming from the top. It's the alcohol. Then the next is the hydrogen peroxide. Here at least I can get it in with the syringe. Okay, that's a little bit too much. And we need 2.1 milliliter of that. Yeah. So 2.1. Here we go. That's this one. Then we're gonna be using the vegetable glycerin. That was 1.5 ml. So here we go. 1.5 ml of the vegetable glycerin. And now I have almost 81 milliliter of the liquid. So the rest just we are filling with the distilled water, yeah, to get it up to the 100 mils. Here we go. And that's pretty much it. That's how easy you can make your own hand sanitizer. So we have our our hand sanitizer is now blended in here. Obviously, we need to shake the whole thing. I am not afraid to cover this with a hand, because anyway, it's a hand sanitizer, yeah? So it's gonna be on the hands. The whole thing is blended, and then you just need to put them in some kind of container. Yesterday I got the very last one of these travel accessories, you know, like these little bottles in local deals. They were sold out everywhere. Today I was going passing Pennies. I thought, okay, I'll check in Pennies, maybe they have some more, because okay, out of this I only got one. I needed some more to send it down to my shops for my employees there, and actually in Pennies they had also these travel sets. We're going to be using just these one with the pump, yeah. So you open, pour in the hand sanitizer, just like that. Here we go. This on top, and that's it. Our hand sanitizer is done. Just spray on your hands, one, other. Smells, oh, Jesus, it's really, really strong alcohol smell out of it, okay? So that's it, and my hands are disinfected right now, so there is no issues proportions. I also put the link to the PDF file from WHO website, where you can read the whole thing. There's more actually to read about how to blend and everything like. Feel free to take a look on that. Otherwise, I would say that's it. That's as simple how you can do that. Blend your own hand sanitizer. And please don't panic, stay safe, wash your hands more often, and I'll see you then Monday in the next live, okay?